Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Very clean truck. Take notice of the exterior condition. It's absolutely flawless. No dings, no dents, no scrapes, no scratches. Very sleek looking vehicle. Super clean vehicle. We're going to show you the interior in just a second. This vehicle does have a clean Carfax history report and has had a 150-point vehicle inspection completed for peace of mind driving. Gotta like that. Look at the gorgeous interior. Fully loaded. Style, comfort, and safety all right here. Easy access to all the controls within arm's length. You know this truck is not going to last long. For more information on this truck or any others in our inventory, it's huge. Give us a call, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.